Hi, Panda. How are you? Panda? Hi. What happened? You're bored? Hmm. You have no one to play with? Yeah? I think I know how to solve this problem. I guess today I have something which will really boost your mood. Do you wanna know what is that? Yes, that's something for you. For you, yes, my panda. Are you ready? But you know the rule. Okay, you are ready, but you know the rule. You need to close your eyes first. Yes, come on. We've done it before. Okay, I count to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open your eyes now. Oh wow, that's 2 things. You got 2. Yeah, you got 2 boxes of something really cool. 1, yeah. And 2, exactly. Are you happy now? Do you know with which box do you want to start? Okay, that one. Yeah, there is something inside. We gotta check that out. And there is also something inside. Come on, you gotta choose. Which one goes first? That one. Good, that's a good choice, Panda. Okay, so let's start opening it. Do you, Panda, know what is inside? That's okay. Great, you managed to open it. Let's get everything out. Oh wow, so many colorful things. So do you know what's that? Okay, you're so busy with your new things. But I will tell it to the guys so we all know, okay? That is Lego Duplo. Very little and nice Lego sets where you can learn colors and animals. And this one, I guess this is the animal farm we got. No, Panda, don't eat it. That's not a chocolate present this time. Okay, yeah, we have some animals. Nice. Okay, that's packed. I will help you. Yeah, that's also an animal. Okay, let's take a closer look because from out here we can't see much. Okay? So here is our Lego Duplo set in which we got a little cat, then a little bunny. Yeah, that's a cat. That's a bunny. What else did we get? That's a dog. Yeah, we got a little dog. And who else? Okay, and that's a little chicken, I guess. And then we also have some stuff, some blocks to build from. And they're all different colors. Yeah, here they're all together. And then we have a few flowers and some few extra things. Looks cool, I like it. So, are you, Panda, ready to assemble it all together? Maybe let's try to repeat this picture on the box. Let's try to put exactly same set. Yeah, so bunny goes on a green block. Yeah, very nice. Then who's next? Yeah, let's take carrots. And you need to put the green flower on the top of it, so it will look like green on the top of a carrots. Great. Carrots should be next to the bunny, so bunny can taste them. Okay, then great. Then who do we take next? Yeah, let's put the cat. So we put orange and yellow blocks and cat on the top of them. Perfect. Very nice. Then, should we take care of a dog or a chicken next? Okay, let's do the chicken. Yeah, we put this plate on the top. And then our little animal. Yeah, so it's like the baby chicken bathing in a little bath or plate. Yeah, it's exactly like on the picture. And then we have a dog left. Yeah, let's move it a bit around. Looks nice. Good job, Panda. Yeah, the dog is coming. Her little puppy. Yeah, and it has frisbee. And it runs out after it. So pretty. It's exactly like on a box. Oh, I love it. Let's take a closer look. So here we have our bathing chicken and our puppy and the cat. Look exactly like on a picture. We did a great job. So nice. Here is our bunny. And Bunny likes to eat carrots. Just like that. Here is our pink flower. So pretty. And that's our baby chicken. Such a cutie. Frisbee, and then after it comes a dog or puppy. So Panda, did you like it? Did you enjoy this set? Yeah? Now you have so many new friends with whom you can play, right? That was fun. I really liked all of them, and it's so easy to assemble and so many ways to play with it. I really love it. I can't wait for our next box. Oh yeah, you are right. Yeah, you gotta put the things inside. So you played with the toys and now you need to make an order. Very good, Panda. Everyone does it. All of your friends do the same, I'm telling you. Good job! You did well. Okay, and now, ready for the second box? Oh, I'm so excited. Here we go. Our second Lego Duplo set. See you in the part 2, guys. Bye-bye.